Welcome to our new episode of our massive 100-part video series on Excel analytics. To learn data analytics, whether beginner or experienced user, you will love to know more about Excel analytics with AI. This video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Welcome back, friends. Today we are exploring the bedrock of all investment decisions, the present value or PV function. This is where we learn how to calculate what a future promise is actually worth in your pocket today. To a layman, PV value function is a valuation tool, whether you are expecting a single lump sum in 5 years or a steady annuity of monthly payments. The PV functions allows you to strip away the effects of time and interest to see the true current value. Assigning a specific discount rate to your future goals, Excel uses its internal logic to reverse engineer the math of interest. It calculates exactly how much you need to invest right now to reach that future target, providing a robust analysis that accounts for the opportunity cost of your capital. When you see a result like this, you are looking at the most accurate version of your future's current worth. It tells you exactly what future payment is worth in today's market down to the very paisa. For the modern data analyst, precision is the foundation of trust. Using PV function ensures your model reflect the true value of a money, providing a defensible financial foundation every time. It is the first step in mastering professional grade analytics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are evaluating a contract, a loan or a retirement plan, the PV function is your starting point for clarity. Remember this. Thank you.